guys, welcome to our channel Fight to Fit. Today's workout we are going to do, and today with me Mr. Samir. Okay, first exercise, lunge, high knees, and when knee come in the air, touch with the ball to add your upper portion. So first exercise, hold like this, keep going boy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep switching your leg. Okay. After 8 to 10, change your leg. Okay guys, next exercise. Okay guys, we are set for our next exercise, side crunches, which is going to add your obliques, serratus muscle and abdominals. Okay, lay down like this. Start from here. Okay, legs in the air and move like this. Oh my god, this is very tough one, and you are going to burn fat from your belly area. Okay guys, next exercise. Well done boy. Next exercise. Okay, next exercise is also for your abs, so we are going to move like this. Lay down boy, little champ. Legs in the air, open bit. Okay, and move like this. Okay, believe me guys, this is a very tough one and you are going to burn something. Okay, next exercise. Okay, next exercise we are going to do, we are going to lay down and throwing ball towards the wall, and which it is going to include hit your lower back, abdominals and upper back. So this guy, he is my very lovely son. He is basically a diabetic patient and he is on insulin, but he is very courteous and he is fit due to exercise. So as I always said, do exercise at home and make yourself fit and strong. So next exercise. Okay, lay down in prone position. Yes, come on. More back, more back, more back, more back. Okay, start. Your feet should be in the air. Oh, Do this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next exercise, guys. Okay, guys. Next exercise called deadlift, and which is going to add your upper body. So you are going to move like this. You can use your wall like this. Okay, bend down, up, bend down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Very well done. Come on, keep moving. Okay, as I always said, do every exercise from 30 seconds to 1 minute. Next exercise. Okay, guys, next exercise you are going to make 8 with medicine ball. I am going to tell you how. Go, boy, come on. Come on, boy. Come on, champ. Oh, okay, that was the last exercise. Do exercise at home. Make yourself fit and strong. In the end, we are going to do treadmill without electricity, so you can also do at home. So come on, champ, you can also do at home. No electricity, but you are going to burn your calories, burn your fat. Do every exercise 30 seconds to 1 minute. Take 10 seconds to 20 second rest after every exercise. Take 2 minute rest after full 1 round, and make yourself fit and strong. In the end, today we will do some passive stretching. I will teach you how to stretch your body with partner, and do treadmill 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Okay, I am going to teach you how to stretch your partner. Okay, guy. Okay, boy, lay down. Lay down. I am going to stretch your body. First of all, hold toes like this and press towards you slowly and gently. Hold 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then hold both legs and move like this slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and slow back. Next one, bend one leg like this and press towards the belly like a cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then place the leg like this. One hand on chest and one on the knee. This is going to stretch your quadricep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for your lower back, cross leg, one hand on the shoulder or chest and one on the knee, and you are going to move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the leg and stretch like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. For groin now, you are going to stretch your groins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also stretch groin like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, boy. Stand up. Sit over there. Sit over there. No, sit. Sit, sit. Sit down. Okay, bend your knees. Yes. Okay. Make fish. Hands forward. Now you can push from his back. Yes, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come back. Then you are going to stretch his arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Arm, shoulder and chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Lay down. Yes. Lay down. Okay. Press legs like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then one leg. Lay down. Lay down, boy. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. You are going to lift from upper body. No, lay down. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that's all. And do stretching after every exercise session. Stretching improve your flexibility and agility. And also do deep breathing. Eat healthy, do exercise, and make yourself fit and strong. Keep smiling. Bye.